Hello everyone, Sergey is with you and this is another attempt to make incredible shots among the clouds in the mountains. I think you are ready to see all this beauty from a drone. Difficult conditions for shooting from a drone. GPS does not work, satellites do not catch. There is no stabilization, strong wind and clouds demolish the quadcopter. Even in sports mode, it is very difficult to control it. The drone was taken to a nearby gorge and with difficulty returned back. And besides, it's very cold here. It is necessary to warm up and try again from a higher place. I ordered a rich fruit tea. Very tasty, and most importantly hot. It includes lemon, orange, ginger and many other fruits. I really liked it and I recommend you to try it too. Just look at it. It's unrealistically beautiful. Clouds, mountains and sunset. If it wasn't for the tea, I would be very cold. It's good that the hands in the cafe warmed up. The equipment also warmed up. There is a strong wind blowing here at the height. Oh no! Look, the funicular has stopped. Or it's just stopped from above, but not from this side. I do not know if I will be able to go down or not. Jumping over the railings, I managed to get to the last booth. So you don't stay at home, get out, travel. Even such mini trips are energizing. Bye to everyone and see you in the new releases.